Alright, let's talk about something that hits close to home for a lot of us: job security and our paychecks. This week, jobless claims in the US just spiked to a one-month high. That means 226,000 people filed for unemployment last week, 7,000 more than the week before, and way more than experts predicted. But here's the real kicker. It's not just a blip. If you look closer, continuing claims. So, folks who've been out of work for more than a week, shot up too, hitting their highest level since November 2021, that's almost 2 million people still searching for their next paycheck. You might be thinking, okay, but I still have my job. Should I actually be worried? Fair question. Here's what's really happening. Businesses aren't laying off tons of people, but they're also not hiring much. Economists are calling it a no-hire, no-fire job market. That means your job might feel safe, but if you're hoping for a new gig or a big raise, things are getting tougher. Why? Well, companies are nervous. The economy only added 73,000 jobs in July, when everyone expected way more. And when you look at the past few months, the official numbers have been quietly revised down, by hundreds of thousands. So it turns out the job market has been weaker than we realized. All this means there's way more competition for the jobs that do open up. People who get laid off are staying unemployed longer, and hiring managers are moving slower. Even if you're still working, you might notice that raises are harder to come by. Companies are actually seeing a rebound in productivity, which means they can do more with fewer people, and with the rise of AI and automation, they don't feel as much pressure to bump up wages. Sure, we haven't seen mass layoffs, except for some big names like Merck, Intel, or even Stanford University, but for most of us, the risk isn't losing our jobs overnight. It's losing out on opportunities for growth, better pay, or just a safety net if something changes. And with unemployment ticking up to 4.2%, plus all this uncertainty, there's even talk of the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates soon, just to keep things from slowing down more. So what does all this mean for your paycheck? In short, it's a time to be cautious. Keep your resume updated, keep your skills sharp, and don't take your current gig for granted. This no-hire, no-fire market is stable, but it's not exactly comfortable. Stay tuned, stay smart, and take care of your financial future.